Hi, it's Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet here with another top tip for bookkeeping. So, how to start this one today. I want this to be a kind of a word of warning. I helped somebody out yesterday who had started a new business, kind of been thrust upon them. A family member helped them out with setting up their Xero software. They had an accountant, and their accountant had done their year end and things last year, and they were just wanting me to help them understand a little bit more about, this time it was Xero, but I could have done it in Sage 50 as well. And it was one of those cases where everybody thought somebody had sorted VAT. So this business has been going for more than a year, and the accountant thought that the client had sorted VAT out. The client didn't think that they needed VAT at the moment because they'd just started out, and were just merrily using the Xero software that a family member had helped them set up. The family member had managed to set up Xero in such a way that it thought that they were VAT registered. So VAT invoices were being sent out, but only on some clients and not on all. And also, cost of sales account codes were being used on invoices, where when you're doing sales, when you're doing invoices, when money in Xero, you should always use an income code, which if you're using the standard chart of accounts starts at 200. So it would be a 3-digit code starting with a 2. If you're using Sage 50, it's a 4-digit code starting with a 4 if it's sales. It is not good practice to use expense codes for invoicing, even if you're, in this case, they had insurance costs to do with their business that they were invoicing onto their clients, so they'd put it to insurance costs. And really, you should have insurance costs in one area and then income from recharging insurance in the sales area. So, the good thing is that we've been able to point out that the setup is incorrect. They're not correctly registered for the taxes that they should be, and we can now sort it out. Had they not sought help, I can't actually believe how an accountant had done a year end and had not realised this, but it's kind of understandable, as in the history there, the accountant was used to the client and the client's family sorting their VAT out manually outside of the accounts package, so they didn't think there was anything odd in it. Kind of gobsmacked really, but so the lesson that we need to learn is your accounts are your responsibility. If somebody is helping you out, you need to not just trust that they've got it all right. You need to, if you have an accountant, have a longer chat with your accountant to understand exactly what's going on. Check that the friend that thinks they know Xero has helped you set it up correctly. And because ultimately, the buck stops with you as the business owner, and it's going to be you that gets into trouble with doing things wrong. Now, this is a bit of a mess to tidy up, and their accountant's now going to help them tidy it up. Now it's been flagged to them what's going on. That's great, and they're going to come back to me for some more help when it's all tidied up, so they know what to do going forward to not end up in messes again. So if you're not sure if your accounts are set up right, if you've got an accountant that you wouldn't feel comfortable talking to, if you just want someone to look in your Xero and Sage and see if it's okay, then do let me know, because I want to help people to get this right. It isn't rocket science. There's no point sticking your head in the sand, because the mess will just get bigger and bigger. If you realise where the things have gone wrong, you can get things right from here going forward, and then you can get help going back and sorting out the messes. So this is Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet saying, make sure that you as a business owner understand what's going on with your bookkeeping. If you want to get in touch, go to blog.siliconbullet.com. Find Alison Mead at Silicon Bullet on LinkedIn, and do get in touch and ask me about my hand-holding that I can do, or I could just do an hour's review of your accounts with you if that's what you would like. We do the service on Zoom, and we can record the call so you've got it to refer to later. So that's Alison Mead signing off again on my dog walk with Daisy. See you soon. Bye.